It's time for the Nitro World Order unboxing. What's in here?
What's the best engine to get for your Traxxas Revo or T-maxx? The OS21 TM, baby. What's up, Nitro gang? This is my Exceed Mad Storm running the HPI Savage 25 engine, baby. I was about to get ready to run this, and then of course, FedEx dropped off a nice big box of RC. You know, it's a nice giant field here in the back over there. The sun is about to go down, you could tell. It's a little bit dark, trust me, the sun's about to go down. I don't even know why I'm wearing these glasses. They probably make me look cool, so that's probably the real answer. Let's face it. Vanity. Inside this box is something I ordered in a previous video. I released a video about my HPI Savage X4.6 unboxing. Well, that was actually just an April Fool's video. And I'm sorry for the ones of you that got fooled, but listen, April Fools, Nitro gang, we can dish out a joke, we can take a joke. Either way, what I ordered during that April Fool's Day sale is here. We're gonna take a look at another current sale going on right now at Tower Hobbies. To be honest with you, they have one of the best, lowest priced OS engines I have ever seen. The OS21 TM, baby, and it's on sale. It's starting time, baby. Nitro, baby, it's always fun. Did you see that?
The Tower Hobbies Easter sale. It says save up to 25%, use code EASTER. Let's take a look at what they have for the Easter sale. So they have a front wheel drive Tamiya chassis, $113 with 20% off. It's pretty good, but I just do not want a front wheel drive Tamiya 10 scale chassis, just not something I want. They have an OS airplane engine, also don't care, don't have a Nitro airplane, although I do want one. Servo here, and guys, this is why I am making this video. It's all about this OS21 TM engine, $299 with a massive 25% off coupon. $299. The reason this is the best engine, I'll tell you exactly why. We're going to read this so you guys totally understand what we're talking about. It says, boost up four-wheel drive performance power in your Traxxas T-maxx with the 21 TM engine from OS. It's the perfect upgrade for your monster masher, because it's a direct fit for the Traxxas Easy Start or Pull Start system, as is the manifold and clutch assembly. This is a direct fit big block motor for the Traxxas products, and usually $299, you know, it's not an inexpensive engine. It's pretty much up there in price, although if you really think about it, compared to an original TRX 3.3, this is only a little bit more than the asking price of a Traxxas engine. Let's look at what else it has to offer here. The special manifolds adapt perfectly to existing pull start or easy start system. That is nice. And it comes with a very good LC3 glow plug. OS glow plugs are some of the best in the industry. I've ran them and they run for years, guys. It says retrofits into the same mounting pattern as the Traxxas clutch assembly. Let's see what about the specs. So the way OS engines are rated, a lot of times people say, oh, my engine has like 4 horsepower, this and that. It really comes down to the fact that there's no industry standard in dyno testing engines. Sometimes they're tested at the crank, and this also applies to how real automotive engines are tested. A lot of times they test wheel horsepower. Sometimes they test horsepower at the crank. I do not really know what system they're using here, but we'll just go based off of the claimed horsepower output. It says 1.7 horsepower at 29,000 RPM. Now, I know that, through all of my research in Traxxas forums, a lot of people have come to the conclusion that the 3.3 has like 1.4 to 1.6 horsepower. It's probably significantly lower than that. And, they claim 1.77. The OS engines never really overstayed their horsepower. I'll tell you this, they're kind of like an old Saab. I remember watching a Top Gear episode, and one of the Saab engineers said that any front-wheel drive sedan with more than 200 horsepower is pointless.
An engineer at Saab once told me that the absolute limit for a front-wheel drive car is 220 brake horsepower. This has 250. And then you come out of the corner on the other side, and everything's fine. I've got a Saab. All dentists have Saab, okay? And graphic designers all have them. You always get the same patronising smile. Saab has been telling us for years that their cars are jets with number plates. Really? I mean, do jet fighters have handbrakes, for instance, or ignition keys down here, or electric windows, or a cup holder? Night panel button on the dashboard, which turns all the lights and most of the dials off at night. That's it. The plane takes off at 137 miles an hour. The car doesn't. The plane is made by Saab. The car is made by General Motors. And finally, the plane uses a Volvo engine. And they're off. 2.3 litre, 250 horsepower turbo against 21,500 pounds of jet thrust. Harrier's off the ground and already doing 200 miles an hour. Saab's up to 58.
And for OS, a lot of their horsepower ratings, it really comes down to, you have to run the engine to know how good it is. And these are some of the best, most reliable engines that money could buy. Let's see. I'm going to add it to cart. What's going to happen? I'm curious about the sale. So Easter. I'm going to sign in right here. I'm curious. It's going to be, oh man, $224 after a $75 discount on this OS 21 TM direct fit T-maxx or Revo engine. I just might have to purchase it. I don't know. It's kind of a lot of money. I just placed an order and I'm waiting for it to come in. Let's see what else we have that's on sale right now. Okay, so they have another front wheel drive chassis here from Tamiya 148. I don't care about that. Some kind of don't care about. Oh yeah, basically just a bunch of electronics parts that they can't sell, and airplane engines. Some Outrunner motors here. Some tools, wheels. Don't care about any of this. Glow plugs. I never ran Tower Power glow plugs. If anybody has, let me know how they are. I'm curious. Seem to be a pretty good deal, although the OS is also, cheap. It's $7. That's actually a bargain. And you can use a discount code on this. Man, maybe I should stock up on glow plugs as well. I don't know. We have more electronic components here. Don't care about any of this. And we have some gears for the SCX10. Don't care about that. OS glow plugs are great, baby. Pretty good sale they have going on for surprisingly Easter right now. I remember years ago, Tower Hobbies had very, very good discount codes. Now that they're owned by Horizon Hobby, a lot of the brands that you can use the discount codes on are significantly limited. So your best bet to save money, which is what I'm after, is to go after the daily deals, or sometimes they have like specials like this. But OS 21 TM for $225 after a discount, I think I'm going to order it with this manifold. This is cheaper than the 3.3. In fact, why don't we look up how much a new, let's go to Amazon. We're going to look up a Traxxas 3.3 motor. Okay, so a brand new 3.3 on Amazon is $220, right, with the recoil starter. Of course, it also comes with the air filter. That's pretty useful. But really, you know, if you have an old air filter from your old engine, they'll all fit. So $220 for a Traxxas 3.3 engine here. And in my cart, you know, I have an OS21 big block for $225. So we're talking about $5 more for the OS21 TM compared to the 3.3.
That was fast. It's time for the Nitro World Order unboxing. What's in here? Well, this is what I got in the previous sale. Oh, don't mind my HPI Savage X 4.6. It's just chilling out here on the box, you know. It's hanging out with the NWO crowd. All right, this is what I got on the April Fool's Day sale. Let's see what it is. You just want to, you know, rip stuff open and then just want to take it out of the box like that. Unfortunately, I had to save this right now for the video. Okay, here we go. I'm opening it up, baby. What did I get? There's 2 items in here. Both fantastic deals, of course. You know, I would never pay too much. Okay. Oh, first item. What's this? Well, this is an electric, but I think it is fairly acceptable that I got this. This is a Tamiya TT01, the man truck. I'm gonna build this. I'm gonna run it. You know, I paid like, I think it was $140, and there was like a giant coupon code at the time, like 20% off. So yeah, I got this thing fairly cheap. If I wanted to, I could just list this right now on eBay, and it will sell. These things, you know, they never go down in value. I'll build it, it's cool. Sometimes you wanna, like, you know, just chill. It comes with the Tamiya torque tuned motor and a brushless compatible ESC. So in reality, all you need for this is your own radio system and I think a servo. I'm pretty sure you need a servo. Tell me this giant truck body here will not look amazing with a nice drift going. I think that's what I might do. These small 10 scale chassis, they're awesome for drifting at low speeds. For high speeds, you know, I'm just gonna have to yell 2-speed baby if I wanna do some high speed runs on that. All right, Tamiya, that's what we got in this box. What else is in here, you might ask? Well, it's a small box over here. Whoa, what is this? Dynamite engine, baby! Dynamite 0.28. This thing was on such a great sale. I wasn't sure whether I was gonna get it or not, but at the time I think I wound up paying like maybe $94 for this, for a 0.28 pull start engine. These are rated exactly the same specs in terms of horsepower as the motor that's in this Savage. So if you're looking for a motor for a Savage, not the XL, but for something like this, basic Dynamite 28 is the one you should get. 2.9 horsepower, you know, pretty nice motor. I'll put a link for this in the description to the video. A lot of times they're available on Amazon. I got it on Tower Hobbies because it was like on a one-day sale, but now it's time for the Nitro Gang World Order comment of the week. This comment comes from Two Stroke For Me. He wrote, "I'm surprised that you have the patience to not take the Savage out of the box as fast as possible." Well, trust me, bro, man, me too. You know, I save a lot of the fun stuff for viewers like you. I want to capture my true, genuine reaction. When I say real, honest review, it's my real, honest review. I'm not sponsored by HPI. I'm sponsored by my day job and like my 5 Patreon supporters that I have. So that's my sponsors, you know. The rest of the comment says, "But I realize it's a sacred moment. However, you do need to hug the Savage before the first run to make it feel safe and comfortable." You know what? I'm gonna hug it right now. This might not be the first run, but guys, hug your damn Savage. Look at that. Oh yeah, feels good. Nothing like hugging a nice Nitro. Check that out. Oh, look at that. Can I balance it on my head?
I'm kind of curious. Oh man, the transmission is kind of hurting my skull. Okay, no, we can't do that. In all seriousness, I hope that the new investors put some effort into HPI because it still plays a major role in RC cars. I gotta tell you, I agree, man. I hope the Nitro Gang revolution, it doesn't just end with my channel. It's gonna keep going. I know a lot of you guys put comments saying, you inspired me to run my old Nitro, get a new one. Whatever it is, the goal is to have fun. I sure hope HPI makes some more releases. This one right here is their outgoing 2016 model. There is a little bit of controversy. I think I might have to begin with this RC right here. I already have a couple people in the Nitro Gang leading the investigation, the people that got these. I think this might be an old stock model. I'm not quite sure. I don't have any direct evidence to back me up right now, but the investigation will continue. Alright, Nitro Gang, that's it. You know, if you got a Savage, go hug him. That's a great idea. Bring you a little step closer to being one with your RC. Not something that I think the average Arma owner could say, because their motto is just send it. And you know what I say? Send them back. And if you have an old Nitro, make sure you run it. 2-speed, baby, later.
Nitro.
Her brother's like, ooh. She says she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Ooh. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Ooh. I'm Steph Curry, when I hit the 3, I hit the...
What's up?
I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on, let's get big. Come on.